Pietermaritzburg High Court Judge Piet Cohen has postponed the Jacob Zuma hearing to September 9th and 10th this year. He further ruled that the state must appoint a medical doctor to examine whether Zuma is fit to come to court and stand trial when required. Zuma's legal team has agreed for the trial to resume next month. Zuma is currently in hospital under observation. Zuma is charged with fraud, corruption and racketeering with French arms company Thales. Joining us now to discuss this is Arise South African correspondent Mxolisi Masanga. Mxolisi, good to have you with us once again. And so we see that the Zuma trial has been postponed till September. Is this likely to affect the unrest which we hoped was settling down in South Africa?
Well, yes, the Jacob Zuma matter has been postponed to September the 9th. Now, this is after Zuma's legal team, had put up an application to say that he's not fit to stand trial because he had suffered a traumatic injury, which dates back 18 months ago. So now the state, of course, advocate Wim Traingrove has come out to say that he feels that this is another delay tactic on behalf of Zuma's legal representation, who has been, supposedly just unleashing delay tactic after delay tactic. So today at the Pietermaritzburg High Court, this was a hearing that was, of course, held virtually by all the legal representation that was involved. Seemingly now the matter is set to be heard on the 9th of September. However, here's what is interesting out of it. We are yet to know whether Zuma will be fit to stand trial because he is now in hospital for observation following that traumatic injury that his legal team spoke about today in court. We will only know next week on the 20th of August whether or not the trial will indeed resume on the 9th of September.
How the ANC and Ramaphosa in particular is actually taking this development?
Really gotten word from the ruling party at this particular point in time, but you would assume that the only nod that we'd be getting from the president is to say that, there's a new sheriff in town and he's here to clean up and he's for the law, as we've seen over the past couple of months as this matter has been happening. We've seen some people who are thought to be on the former president's camp who have been the ones who have been rallying behind Jacob Zuma, supporting him, court appearance after court appearance. Today, it wasn't all of that since the matter was heard virtually. And it's just, seeing how the various factions as well as the camps of the ANC react to this particular matter as it is right now. But there's not been a formal word from the presidency as well as the African National Congress itself on the developments on this particular matter.
Okay, thank you so much, Mxolisi Masanga, for monitoring that story for us.